MagicLight helps you create endless possibilities. First, what can you do with MagicLight? Type Little Red Riding Hood and the Big Bad Wolf and watch MagicLight instantly generate a captivating story full of tension, lessons and heartwarming moments. How to use MagicLight. Step 1. Write your story. Just one sentence and MagicLight agent creates your video with an auto-generated script, style, ratio and language editable anytime in the dialog box. Step 2. Choose characters. Browse MagicLight's vast character library or upload your own. Customize them to match your story's personality. Step 3. Generate illustrations. With one click, AI renders high-quality images in various styles. Step 4. Synthesize the video. Add narration, music, and sound effects. Then generate and export your final video with one click. Now, you can share your story with your family or upload it to your favorite platforms.
Goodbye.
Start creating with MagicLight